I need some decorations for an upcoming party, so I made my own. These bunting banners were made using a free pattern with 3 different sizes and styles, and there are plenty of options to make them truly one of a kind. So let's get to it. For this project, you will need burlap, jute twine, scissors, a fabric marker, and a hot glue gun. I'm also decorating the banner with craft paint supplies and felt fabric. Print out the pattern and choose the style and size you would like to use. Feel free to use a combination of shapes and sizes. For this banner, I'll be using the fishtail shape, medium size. Cut out the pattern and use it to cut pieces of burlap fabric. The number of pieces is up to you. This banner will have 5. For the straight edges, you can remove a few burlap threads from the sides for a more rustic look. Now that you have your bunting sections, have some fun with decorations. I have some craft paint supplies here for painting letters. Make sure the burlap is not directly on the table if you do this, since the paint will bleed right through. These are 4-inch letter stencils, which ended up working really well with these medium-sized pieces. Let the paint dry completely before constructing the banner. You can also add some decorative trim, create and attach cool shapes, or cut out sections of felt using a smaller pattern piece and glue them to the burlap. This banner is great for event decorations, seasonal crafts, and so much more, so get creative and have some fun with it. Now it's time to construct the banner. Before gluing, make sure there's an extra 8 to 12 inches of twine at the end. Glue the twine about ½ an inch from the top of the back of the burlap. Add more glue and fold down the top edge. Repeat to attach the rest of the pieces. Since the sections are upside down, make sure to attach them in reverse order if order is important. The spacing in between each piece is up to you. I would suggest keeping it at or under 1 inch between each one. Cut the other end of the twine, leaving an extra 8 to 12 inches. Hang the banner for display and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and we'll see you next time.